Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Ads cart data need attention issue. So basically, if you go to your Google Ads conversion action called primary, here you can see purchase. So if I could go to purchase, here you can see I have received here a problem like basket data need attention, or you can see the issue like cart data need attention. Okay, so to solve this issue, all we need to do, like, we have to send the product ID with our purchase, and we are not just only sending the product ID we can solve this issue. We have to also sending the product ID which can match with our Google Merchant Center product. Let me clarify. Okay, so basically in this video we'll see how you can solve this issue, and then this issue you see maximum time with Shopify website, and I'll show you step by step like how exactly I'll solve it in here. Okay, so first of all, if I now click in here, go to diagnostic, here you can see our Google Ads basket data coverage rate 100%. Here you can see I'm sending the basket data, right? I'm sending the basket data. This is also covers 100%. But sold product match rate 0%. Okay, so that's mean the basket data I'm sending, I mean the cart data I'm sending, this is not properly matched with our Google Merchant Center product. And here you can see also cost of goods sold coverage only 0%. So that's mean Google Ads receive the items data, I mean basket data, or you could say that cart data, but this is actually not match this properly. Okay, so let me show you like how you can like investigate this issue, how to understand where exactly need to be changes, and how you can fix it. Okay, so I set up the tracking using Google Tag Manager, and then I'll now go to our campaign, go to our product. By the way, if you already familiar with Google Tag Manager, then I could say this video helpful for you because you can understand what I'm saying in here, right? In Google Tag Manager or stuff like that. But if you are not familiar with Google Tag Manager and you are a founder, a business owner, or marketer, then I could say actually this is something a bit more critical for you. And if you need any help, if you need any paid help, you can easy to chat with me by the description link, and I would love to help you. Okay, but if you understand, then it will be easy for you. And in this video, I'll show how to solve this issue. Okay, so here you can see the item ID I have seen here, which is called Shopify US, and the item ID like that. Okay, so if I now go back to my server container in Google Tag Manager, here you can see my server container, and once I now click in here preview. Okay, so once I click in here preview, so it's open my Google Tag Manager server container preview, and then let's say now I'll visit my website. So I'll go to a website and like see a product. I'll see a product in here. Okay, let's say I'll see in here this product, or for example, I could go to Google Ads. I could open in here a product. This is a good way to verify that. Go to your product and then like open this product directly, like copy this URL, go back to your website here, like paste the code, paste the URL. So it will directly open your website. Again, this video main goal is not to how to set up server tracking, we set conversion tracking. You already have the conversion tracking, that's why you see this error, right? So if you just make your Google Tag Manager web preview or server preview, so you can see these things like that. Okay, but if you still not have proper tracking for your website, you can see my other video how to set up tracking, or you can like DM me by the description link for proper conversion tracking for your Shopify website, which can help you to scale your campaign. Okay, so here you can see I have just visit the product, right? And then if I could go to view item and event data in the server, here you can see I have also received here the product ID, like DE and this kind of product ID. So I think now you have a clear idea about what is the actual problem. So actual problem is like our Shopify product ID, what we are sending to Google Ads, this is covered 100%, which is completely true. Here you can see we are sending the product ID, but the product ID is actually not match what we have in our backend. Like here you can see this product ID actually basically US, but if I could go to here, you can see this is showing here DE. So all I need to do in here, like using Google Tag Manager JavaScript variable or any other variable, we have to replace this DE with US. Okay, once we replace this DE with US, then it will be solved. But to verify like the product ID or others data, like copy this code after the US country code, go back to your Shopify, go back to your Tag Manager preview and like this, you can like match it properly. So basically, again, just try to understand, this ID is properly matched. At the same time, this ID is properly matched. The name is properly matched. Only difference is like this is actually sending DE data. So it should be send US data. So let's make changes. So all I need to do, I have to go to my Shopify backend. So basically, I add Google Tag Manager code in my Shopify custom pixel. Here you can see. So all I have to do, like I have to actually edit my code. Okay. So it is now DE. So all I need to do, which is I have to make it US, like this format. So I'll go back to here. I'll click in here, or like change the text to a DE to US, right? And then I'll click in here, save. Okay. So once I make it save for Shopify custom pixel, we have to like make it disconnect, and then we have to reconnect this so it will be properly sync. Okay. So now let's go back to here and then reload the page. And once I reload the page, it should be now changed, and then I should be receiving here new item ID. I'll remove from here everything, right? Here you can see I have now received a new data which is called view item. If I could go to here you can see still I receive in here DE. But let's go back to here. Okay, let's go back to here, see in here another product, let's say this one, and then let's go back to again or here. Sorry, my internet is a bit slow today, so that's why like it's gonna take more time. Here you can see this product is completely properly changes. Now it's sending data to US. So if I could just now copy this product, go back to Google Ads right in here, like here you can see US Shopify US 21. It should be proper. Oh, sorry, this is another product. Let me like go to this product, right? So I'll go to here, right in here, like visit in here this product. I should be now receive new view item event in here, right? And it's gonna take some time. Still my page is loading. Okay, so here you go. Here you can see I have received here a new event which is called view item, and if I now copy this product ID back to here in the Google Ads, here you can see exactly this product match properly. Okay, so now the issue should be automatically solved without we need not have to like edit anything in our Google Tag Manager. So this is actually completely depend on your how you set up this tracking, right? Like if you set up the tracking based on Shopify custom pixel, you might be like not have to go back to your tag manager and add custom JavaScript variable. You can like change this from here. But again, if you use something like custom pixel, using app-based tracking, so I think you can solve it using Google Tag Manager custom JavaScript variable. I'll show a video about that. Let me show you, like if I could go to YouTube in here, and in my channel I have actually already recorded a video like how you can solve it using custom JavaScript variable. But this solution how now I show, this is actually more, I could say more accurate, okay, and more reliable compared to custom JavaScript solution. But again, you can solve it using custom JavaScript, right? So I'll go to here, right in here, like card data, and I should be find this. Yeah, here you can see I show in here 7 months ago, like fixed Google Ads card data need attention issue. Also, if I could go to this video in here, you can see I have attached in here the code link, like the custom JavaScript code link. So you can like replace this with your variable. You can actually follow this guide. If you not have find any option, change this from Shopify backend. Okay, so I think this is very helpful. But if you still have any question or if you need any help, so you can like visit my website in here, and I would love to help you in here. So you can like chat with me anytime, or if you need a proper tracking setup for your Shopify website, which could be based on custom JavaScript and maintain all of this latest update, and wanted to achieve up to 95 to 97% data accuracy, so you can like book a call using the top link in the description. You can directly chat me with me by WhatsApp link. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. And if you have any question, please drop in the comment box. Thank you.